From the front of the house to the back of the house, we're having so much fun here at Bird Tree Cafe. I'm with Chef Joel. We're going to learn how to make their signature breakfast dish, the kolache. Take it away here, Joel.
Cool. Yeah, so this is basically a donut dough that we make with pineapple juice, milk, sugar, flour, eggs, and yeast. We rise it overnight just to give it a little more flavor. We'll roll it out, flatten it out, throw a little bit of cheese in there, a little bit of hot dog in there. Go ahead and roll this thing up, pinch all the edges, get all that stuff tucked nice in there.
And then how do you cook it? You fry it?
We bake it in the oven about 350. We'll throw it up to proof for about 30 minutes. And then brush it with some butter, throw it in the oven, and then we got a couple for you right here.
Oh, and that's the fast forward TV magic. That's the finished project right here. What should it be tasting like?
It's
delicious.
Yeah, it's delicious. It's nice and savory from the hot dog. We do a cheddar jalapeno version.
Thank you, Joel. Amazing. This is where the magic happens here at Bird Tree Cafe. Thank you.
Thanks.